Welcome back to the Sodex Innovations vlog. We're back in Las Vegas, this time CONEXPO. We're exhibiting here, we're showing our construction technology at the biggest construction show in the US. Come with us and see what we will do this week. It's Monday, the day before the show starts. We've been setting up the booth yesterday already. We're in Central Hall. This is where we're walking into right now. There's a lot of random stuff, but the closer we will get to our booth, the more aggregates related machines and technology you will see. And this is where we are, because we are simplifying inventory tracking for aggregates. So yeah, Rammer doing big things. Yeah, as I said, day before the show, so a lot of things are still being set up. Tuesday to Saturday, and tomorrow it starts at 9 a.m. So we're getting closer to our booth right now. I need to remember where it was. It's back there, absolutely. Right next to us, a lot of crusher parts. And then right there, our neighbors are still setting up. Looks a bit wild. There is Sodex. So this is our booth. Here, all the people will visit us inside where it's a bit cooler, next to the Hitachi booth. And yeah, we will be showing our compact. We will be showing our 4D vision on that little diorama. I will turn it off on later. And yeah, looking forward to it. Good morning, good morning. So right now, it's the first day at the show. We just arrived at the festival grounds. It's the outdoor area here, which is like massive and far, far away from Central Hall where our indoor booth is. So like 30 minutes walking, but we took a shuttle today. We were way smarter. So yeah, come with me, see what's going on here. And yeah, I will show you our place at the Hitachi booth today. See ya. So we're at the Hitachi booth right now. We have a STX Compact here on a wheel loader, our 4D vision with Trimble integration here on an excavator, and also showing our cloud inside. As you can see, and we will cut some of the videos in here, there is a lot going on for the first day. Super, super happy about it. And now it's around midday, meetings are noon. Meetings are starting now. Yeah, let's see. Definitely a good day and beautiful sunshine. Let's go. So the first day of CONEXPO is over and was great. We met customers from Australia, from the US. We met a lot of dealers. So yeah, it was a bit calm in here. It was way busier at the outdoor booth with Hitachi. And yeah, so looking forward to the next few days and see you guys tomorrow. Day 2 at CONEXPO. It's noon already. I came a bit late because I had a lot of meetings to do. And also, quite spontaneously, I need to leave tomorrow from Vegas. So we will have a new host for the next few days. Will not be at the level as it is right now, but nevertheless, Max is gonna take over and show you everything at CONEXPO. Max, hello.
Thank you, Ralph. Yes, unfortunately, Ralph here is leaving me hanging, so you're stuck with me now. My name is Max, as Ralph just said. I'm the head of software. I'll be taking you around the next couple of days, as now I have to take up all the work Ralph is leaving me with. So I think we're going to have a couple of very exciting days. And yeah, let's go.
If you guys need to capture underground utilities while you're on site, there's a great new tool, and I will show you that today. You need a phone, and then you need our STX Pocket Scan. It's a GPS receiver you basically just put on the back of your iPhone, and with that, you're able to scan geo-referenced point clouds to basically capture anything on site really easy with your phone. And this is new to our product portfolio, but we keep on adding new features. And with May 2026, there will be a lot of new great stuff and a great workflow you should definitely watch out for. Yeah, what's happening?
Yeah, as Ralph said, by the end of April, start of May, you're going to be able to put the STX Pocket Scan into your STX pole and use the same app to capture points, lines, and areas right on site with tilt compensation and RTK. The other thing you can do, which is going to be integrated right into the app, is capturing GCPs for your drone flights or for your Pocket Scan scans. Second day at CONEXPO done. Was a great day. Our team did a tremendous job manning both booths, while Rolf was in the hotel room in the morning actually because he needed to take care of some imminent business, and I had to take care of all the meetings we had today. We had some great meetings with our OEM partners discussing strategy, the things to come this year and next year, something definitely for you to watch out for as well. Additionally, our head of operations, Niels, he had a great interview which has been done at the Hitachi booth. There was a big camera, so I think it was very important. Hopefully going to see that in the future. Tomorrow there's more to come, more meetings, more strategy, hopefully finding new customers as well as new leads and meeting some of our old friends at our local dealers. So stay tuned for day 3. Good morning from day 3 at CONEXPO. Today we're starting here at the Diamond Lot, which is one of the outdoor areas of CONEXPO. There are like 5 different areas at CONEXPO. It's crazy huge trade show. This place here is also where we're going to start our first meeting of the day with a very important partner of ours. For me, most of the day will be hopping between the Hitachi booth, where one part of our team is, and the indoor booth where the second part of our team is, and having meetings on both of them. Also today what we're going to do, we're going to have 2 interviews coming up. Also one of our partners, one of our dealers actually, and secondly a company also in the Hitachi booth we want to show you guys. So stay tuned for what's coming on day 3. All right, so I'm now here back at the Sodex booth right now with Nick from CR Kennedy. Nick flew all the way over here from Australia to go visit CONEXPO. Nick, what do you do at CR Kennedy exactly? What does your company do?
Yeah, thanks. Look, my role is the National Machine Control Manager, but we are we're primarily the distributors for Leica Geosystems full suite of products. But we're over here at CONEXPO to look at technology, look at other products, catch up with partners like Sodex, who we collaborate with and are distributing into the Australian market also.
Great. So Leica for the whole of Australia. Did you find anything particularly interesting on CONEXPO while you were here, something which stuck out for you?
Oh, look, what we've noticed so far is the amount of AI coming into the industry and how do you utilize that information for profitable but useful information and data in the geospatial surveying world, you know?
Yeah.
It'll be really watch the space over the next few years, and it's going to be amazing.
That's right. There's a lot of stuff happening, definitely. Love working with you guys. Thanks for stopping by and taking the time.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate it also.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, just finished my meeting with CR Kennedy. Had a great discussion. CR Kennedy, great guys. Always love to work with them. Australian accent is also amazing to hear. Definitely something fresh in Las Vegas. Now we have to go on a short trip over to the Hitachi booth, where our second team is manning our second booth. Then let's see you right back at the Hitachi booth for our interviews. We have finally arrived at the Hitachi booth, where our second team is manning our second booth through the shuttle. I'm now here with a very interesting person, a very interesting company, Ajay Pandey from Veristart. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
You're out of Canada. What does your company do and why are you here?
Yeah, so we're Veristart. We solve the problem of access control and security for construction equipment. So we prevent theft, but not only that, we make sure people are authorized to use the equipment, they have the right training. And we can also enforce compliance with a pre-start checklist, which has become really important for our large enterprise type of customers.
Understood. You have your device right here.
Yeah.
That's what goes inside the machine. You also have an app. Would you mind explaining to us how the combination works and what it does?
Yeah, really simple. We have a device that basically disables ignition and also connects to GPS and cellular. Now, via Bluetooth, it talks to a mobile app. The operator would receive a set of digital keys. They would hit start. There'll be a handshake over Bluetooth, and it would allow you to start the machine if you have the digital key. And then we have a full fleet management system as well for the fleet manager to manage access and control.
Great. Thanks for explaining. So you're now here in Las Vegas at CONEXPO. It's the first time for you at this show, right?
This is the first time for me at Connex. This is exciting.
You're out of Canada, so this is obviously your home market. Now, with this entering America, what are your plans for the next months and years?
Oh my God, with Hitachi and the opportunity to come here, we've met so many customers. It's been great. You know, the US market seems like a really strong opportunity for us as well. And last year, you know, Sodex and we were at Doma together. Really great opportunities in Europe as well. So
yes,
we're looking to expand outside of Canada, but Canada right now is our home base where we're trying to build our product line.
Got it. So wish you the best of luck going forward into the future and hope to see you again at the next convention. We'll both be together. Thank you very much for your time. Last interview of the day, the third one. I've been really looking forward to this here at the Hitachi booth with someone I have known for a very long time, and then it took forever to meet him in person. Mr. Alan Fawcett here, welcome. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Max.
Alan is a sales engineer at one of our dealers, Cytec Intermountain. We're in front of a Hitachi wheel loader with the STX Compact on top. Alan, what is it you do at Intermountain exactly, and how does Sodex tie into that?
At Intermountain, I am the sales engineer, so my position is to bring on new products for our dealership and then implement them in for our customers, to all of our customers. So that is my main job at Cytec Intermountain.
Got it. So you're the one who took Sodex under your umbrella, so to
Yes,
speak.
yes, Sodex is
initially.
under my umbrella.
Got it. And so far, I mean, you did some experimenting on your own at first, right?
Yeah, we had the 4D for a small time. We actually put it on a Hitachi excavator for one of our clients to get it up and going. And they used it to scan rock walls. They were able to quantify their walls so easily without having to get out with a rover or a tape and pull the length. Because they build a wall by linear foot of the wall stacked. So they had to make sure it was all the right quantity got built and they got paid for it.
Of course. Yeah, in general, going into the future, Cytec Intermountain, of course, I hope, big Sodex fan.
Yeah, I'm a big fan.
What do you see in the future in terms of all the other pits you might still go into, application-wise? Where do you think this is going?
I think we're going to see more of this in gravel pits instead of belt scales and as many drone flights. Utah has very violent weather. We shift quite drastically in winds and everything, so your drone flights get delayed. The Sodex doesn't matter for that. It's always scanning, and you're always getting update quantities. I think that information going so quickly is going to allow our customers to make decisions, better decisions more rapidly.
Anyway, thanks for your time. Is there anything else you wanted to note?
No, great product.
Awesome.
We love it. We're going to push it more, and it's going to make a big deal for our customers, I think.
All right. Thanks, you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you, Max.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Day 3 of CONEXPO was a major success again. We had some great interviews. You saw them just before. Also, thankfully now, the main part of all the important meetings have been done. So I'm very happy that tomorrow I can support our amazing team at both booths, being there as well, meeting new customers, explaining and showing them the Sodex technology. Yeah. And in general, we're over 50% into the convention now so far. It has been a great success. Looking forward to the next 2 days, most definitely. Yeah, and I hope to see you again tomorrow there as well. Good morning from CONEXPO Day 4. Unfortunately, only 2 days left of the exposition. However, my timetable is clear now, so I can actually spend some time at our booth, supporting our team, meeting new customers. Right now, I'm at the Hitachi booth. That's where we're starting today. Above me, there is the STX4 division, installed on one of our, not our excavators actually, Hitachi is going to be mad at me, on one of the Hitachi excavators. Today I'm also going to take some time to show you a bit more the in-depth use cases of this system and the STX Compact system right behind me on the wheel loader. So stay tuned about that. We're also going to have one interview today with Tony from Hitachi, Technology Product Manager. He's going to explain to us a little bit what the concept here is of this booth and what Hitachi is doing. So stay tuned about that on day 4. All right, welcome back. For those who don't know, because they got confused by all the different products we have by now serving all of those different industries, we're going to take some time and walk you through the 3 key industries we are serving, giving you practical examples with the hardware behind me and the STX4 division over there. All right, let's start. Industry number 1 is aggregates. For that, we usually use the STX Compact on top. You can see it on top of the wheel loader. That's also where we would mount it. Consists of 2 GNSS antennas, a LiDAR scanner, and optionally 3 cameras. Essentially, what the customer does in any aggregate is put that on the roof of the wheel loader and then have the wheel loader do its work as usual. While the wheel loader is driving around, we're scanning the terrain, we're uploading the changes, and then inside the SDX cloud, we have set up pile geofences in order to do automatic volume calculation and monitoring of inventory. Essentially, this gives the customer the opportunity to get up-to-date inventory stock at every point in time where he wants. Second industry, civil construction. For this, we would also use an STX Compact on top, but in that case, not mounted on a wheel loader. For example, instead, we would put that on an ATV, or we would put that on a dozer and then have the dozer or the vehicle it's on, could also be the pickup truck of the site superintendent, actually survey the entire site, get an up-to-date surface, upload that to the STX cloud again, and then do comparisons to design and target surfaces to get cut and fill volume up to date every day whenever they need it. So those are the first 2 key industries. Now we're going to go over to the STX4 division and cover the 3rd industry. Now onto the 3rd use case, pipeline construction. We're again below the STX4 division where we started off today. Right above, you can see the LiDAR and the camera scanning unit. what we do here is we integrate directly into Trimble machine control. We take the GNSS position out of the Trimble machine control, and the excavator essentially becomes a surveying system. Pass any trench, any utility, and get a 3D point cloud colorized in seconds. And previous this week, Ralph also showcased the SDX Pocket Scan and the SDX Pole, which is coming up, which is essentially also meant for pipeline construction, but just for smaller scale environments where you don't have a big excavator doing excavation work, but just maybe inner cities, small utilities. If you need a quick scan, just get that and have it all documented in seconds. So we are now at the upper deck of the Hitachi booth with this great view going on behind us with the two long reach Hitachi excavators. Right here with me is Tony Carden, Technology Product Manager at Hitachi. Tony,
yes,
thanks for taking the time today. I see a lot of people running around in Landcross jackets. I don't see a lot of Hitachi anymore. Actually, there's still both going on, but also every excavator has Landcross written on it. What is going on with that?
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks for having me.
Yes.
Landcross is going to be our new name as of April 1st in 2027. It's a move towards technology, which is why I'm here talking to you, right? It's a move towards technology innovation, bringing technology to our market and to our customer base, and really trying to raise the industry as a whole when it comes to technology.
Yeah, so Landcross is going to be the name for Hitachi construction machinery in regards to earthworks and civil construction, aggregates, all of those things, right?
Correct, around the world.
Around the world,
Yep,
actually.
both mining and construction.
Right, I think it's a great name. In the lower floor where we have been the whole exposition, essentially, you guys have a bunch of companies in there amongst us as well. Thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
Definitely. What is the Hitachi vision in bringing on these other companies like Sodex, like Veristar, showcasing their technology inside the Hitachi booth?
Yeah, absolutely. So it plays towards our Landcross name, right? So the OS in Landcross actually stands for open source, right? So we want to partner with companies like yourself that are experts in your field and what you guys do, right? Hitachi is one of the best manufacturers of excavators and wheel loaders in the world. And partnering with technology companies like yourself really help elevate our offering to the company, to our customers.
Got it. It's a great vision you guys have, a great trajectory. I don't see that anywhere else, really, I have to say honestly as well. You're sort of the only ones doing that. And now, just last personal question, how was the exposition for you? What learnings were there for Hitachi maybe, and what is there to come?
Yeah, it's been a great show. We've had really good feedback on our equipment, but also the technology that we're showcasing here. I think you're right. I think our tech innovation area downstairs is kind of an industry exclusive that's happening at this show. Showcasing many different companies here that do a lot of different things that'll bring value to our customer base and showcase that we are willing to work with partners if it'll help us and help our customers succeed and improve their business in the field.
Great. Thanks for the insight, Tony. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
And with that, thank you. Day 4 here at CONEXPO is coming to an end. Things are winding down. I found a very nice spot to end this day in the vlog. Right behind me, you can see a scraper. It's a machine you don't often see in Europe. Very cool machine if you want to look it up online. We have had a great interview today with Tony, Technology Product Manager at Hitachi. In general, the schedule was a lot more calm, so I had some great time at the booth, supporting our team there, talking to customers, hearing their stories, and seeing how we can make surveying easier for them. And with that, I wish you a good night and see you again tomorrow for the last day here at CONEXPO. Day 5 at CONEXPO, the last day. I'm a little sad, honestly, that it's almost over. It was a great show overall. We'll have a last day today where essentially we're going to walk around the trade show. We're going to see what cool stuff we can find, we can show you guys. Also, we're going to have one interview coming up just in the morning now at the Hitachi booth with another startup there in the technology area who have something cool to show us. And yet, with that in mind, let's have a great last day and see what we can make of it. All right, I'm now here with Sri, founding engineer at Demag, here at the Hitachi booth. They're an AI company based out of the United States. Sri, thanks for taking the time.
No worries.
Glad to have you. Yes. Yeah. What do you have going on here in the background, and what is the product you guys have built?
So we built a little simulation to be able to demonstrate our voice assistant, fully offline voice assistant for our excavator. And the main idea is the excavators nowadays have a lot of complex features, a lot of settings and menus to go through. It takes the operator's hands off the controls and eyes off the job, doing something that should be fast and easy and keep them being productive. So instead, they just ask it and tell it what they want. For example, set the left swing limit to 20 degrees.
Setting left swing limit to 20 degrees.
Unfortunately, we actually already had it at 20 degrees.
Great, so it's very easy. It's fully offline, meaning excavators nowadays have a lot of settings, and if they don't want to search for it in a tablet, they can just talk to it. So hypothetically, if we were to have a Sodex unit on top, could we start the scan by using the voice control as well?
I mean, anything with the electronic control we can do. Currently, we're interfacing with the Hitachi controls through CAN bus, and you let us, we'll control it for you.
Got it. This is really interesting. What has customer feedback been so far? What are the voices you heard on this exposition?
That's the main point of this exposition was getting customer feedback, and a lot of people like the fact that it's offline, and also the time saving. We built all these features. For example, you can control your AC, you can control your radio, but just showing, like saying the swing limits and some of the more complex functionality, immediately the operator's eyes, they suddenly get it, and they suddenly go, okay, that saved me time, and I can keep going. The maintenance guys really love to ask them for the status. Like, what's my status?
Unrecognized command.
It is.
You have to pronounce it right.
Yeah.
But in general, really cool that it's offline, so it will work anywhere. Thank you for taking the time, explaining what solution you guys have built. And with that, let's move on to the next thing today. All right, so we've just been checking out the whole festival grounds where all the crazy big cranes and big machines have been set up just for this convention. Right behind me, you can see the big leaper cranes, for example. It reminds me a lot about Bauma, but just a little smaller. Still, it's crazy that they make such a big effort to showcase all of that. And it's also really cool to see. Right now, we're going to catch a shuttle, go inside, go into the halls, check out some software companies and see what they have to offer. So see you there. So we've now checked out North Hall. This hall contains a lot of great tech, especially in the online surveying world in terms of web applications for surveying, but also a lot of great tech for actually capturing surveying data and point clouds. We had a bunch of very insightful discussions with the companies here, learned a lot. Now, the final step for me today, at the end of CONEXPO, day 5, is we're going to go out to the Diamond Lot again, and we're going to check out what's out there, being demoed live right now. See you out there. So we found ourselves now here in West Hall, just before Diamond Lot. We went past the Trimble booth, checked out what new things Trimble has to offer here at this CONEXPO. Right behind me, something very cool we found is a new concept loader from Bobcat. It's supposed to be a modular, autonomous, fully electric loader. And now we're actually going to head out to the Diamond Lot as a final step of today. Check out what things are there. See you in a second. We are at the Diamond Lot now. We have managed to check out all the different booths we wanted to check out on our tour, had some great insights along the way. CONEXPO is winding down. There's only about 2 more hours left of the exposition. We're going to go back now to the Hitachi booth, to our team, help them grab all our stuff, go back to the Airbnb. I will check in with you later, tomorrow most likely at the airport, to give you a wrap-up of the full week. But apart from that, everything went great, and I'm really looking to fly back home as well. We are now here at the airport in Las Vegas, waiting for the boarding to start for a flight to get back home. The whole team is here, of course, fairly exhausted. They did a great job, but everyone, I think, enjoyed the week very, very much. What stuck out for me this CONEXPO especially is that all the conversations we had with customers and our dealers really showed me that we can provide value using our technology right now. For example, the interview with Alan Fawcett we had of the quarry use case, or what we're doing with TerraWise in civil construction, or with the STX4 division in pipeline construction. It all shows that the last 5 years we've been building this ecosystem, talking to customers, talking to dealers, iterating over what we are doing is starting to pay off, and personally that makes me very, very happy. Now, almost time to board the flights. We're going to go head out. Had a lot of great conversations with our partners, of course. That means for you, it's time to stay tuned and see what's coming up in the future. You'll hear from us very, very soon. Thank you and goodbye.